Hi everybody,
Hey!
It is Mel.
And Steve.
And we are ready for another project.
Here's our next video, the seat.
Hang on a second. Yeah, I gotta change my shirt.
Oh, you better change.
I'll be back in a
Okay,
minute.
all right. Well, so while he's changing his shirt for the next video, I will explain to you what's going on here. So we were talking earlier about my new car. Here's my new car. Doesn't have a name yet, but will at some point. So in this new car, I pushed the seat. Here's the seat. No, there's a steering wheel.
Hey Mel.
Oh yeah, you're back.
Are you ready for our next project on a
He's-
completely different day?
I totally am. Okay, I just have a lot of blue shirts.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a dress.
So the problem is that Mel is really short, and this car has an electric seat that goes back and forth. And since she is so short, she pulled it so far forward it actually popped off the track, and now it's basically stuck far forward.
Yeah.
And let me show you what it's like for a normal person to get into this
Well, how
car.
about you show? How about? Oh, wait. Oh, really?
Hang on. I'm gonna.
Okay.
Let me,
I don't know if you're all that normal.
not possible for me to get into the car at all. Like if I had to back this up to move it, I could not do that. My feet do not. I can do it with my hand, but my feet will not go because this is not possible. I do not know how she gets in here.
Okay, well, here, you grab this. Okay,
Okay.
this is how I
Sure.
get into my very own car. Is like this,
All right,
and then I can just drive.
that's astonishing.
It has to be this close,
This is
though,
astonishing.
for my legs to reach. And I realized that I got it off the track, but there's got to be a way for it not to fall.
car off the car.
Okay, so
I don't expect anybody this short to drive this car.
okay, so we're gonna have to fix it somehow.
Right.
Okay.
So when we researched this problem, we found out that how to take the seat, part of the seat apart, and then correct the issue by manually cranking the screw back onto so the seat gets back onto the track.
So let's see if that works.
But what we're going to try first, I think, is I'm going to have Mel get into the seat and just push back on it at the same time that we're pushing or we're engaging the motor to see if we can just push the thing back onto the track, because that would be a whole lot easier than taking the seat apart. So here is Mel. So what we're going to do is she's going to try to basically just push back on the seat at the same time that you...
Like this should go, but it's
Yeah,
not
and
doing
it's
that.
not. Okay. Is it? Are you hearing it activate? Yeah, you can hear it activate a little bit. So it's trying.
Okay.
So.
I mean, because it
you're-
does
and
do this.
so you're-
Look, it'll go.
It will go back up and down.
Wait, no, this one will work. That works. This
Okay.
one works.
So the motor's not burnt out. It's
So it's
just
this.
Yeah. Now, I also saw that this.
Yeah, that
Does
works.
that raise and lower the seat?
Yeah, that makes
Okay.
me go up and
That
down.
tilts the seat. Okay.
Yeah.
So the motor's fine. It's just you're just not on the track anymore,
Right.
and you can't get it back on by.
And I can't get it back on by doing like this.
All right, so step 2, we're gonna actually have to take the car apart. Yay!
Is it a good idea?
It'll be all right.
Okay.
I promise.
Thank you. Action.
Action! Ah, here I am. I have my tools, my itty bitty screwdrivers. So I used to always make fun of these little stubby screwdrivers that are like this tall and they got big handle on them. Like, yeah, a little funny screwdriver. But I need one, and I don't actually have one. So I'm gonna see if I can make these work. Here's what we're doing. We're taking this plastic panel off. These are button surfaces, they'll just pop off, and we're going to take this cover and then it'll expose the mechanism and we'll be able to see it. So what I learned was that there's a screw under here, the one screw on the outside is under here, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to, well, that just lowers the seat, doesn't it? And that just lowers the back? Oh, you can't actually lift this seat up. All right, this is going to suck. So,
All right, so now
let's
we're
see
back
if I
here.
can- see if I can get in here. There's one screw here. Can you see this?
Oh, yeah.
You see where it is?
Yep.
So there's a screw here.
Do you need someone with smaller hands?
Maybe. You need that stumpy screwdriver. Oh, I got it.
Oh, you do?
That's unusual.
Yeah.
Usually this is frozen. All right. See if we can unscrew this. Let me know if you want to do any of the screw-in, Mel. I'll let you do it.
No, that's fine. I'm happy for you to do it. We'd have to edit, you know.
It's all right.
Also, you know, I don't want to.
I don't want you to feel like you're not getting any of the screw-in time.
No, I'm good.
All right, so we have the screw out. Yay.
Yay.
Okay. Actually, I think I might need to get a flathead screwdriver. Poof, like magic, I have the flathead screwdriver. We're going to take the screw and we're going to stick it in our pocket so we don't lose it.
Because why, Steve?
Well, because it sucks to be like trying to figure out where the piece goes. I need to put my car back together with.
Yeah.
Did anybody see where I put the screw?
You have sort of a thing about that. Everything goes to its place.
Everything has a place.
Yes.
That's how we keep track of stuff.
I know, and I appreciate that about you.
So these just pop off.
Okay.
Okay, and I even did it without, I didn't break it. Let's see if we can do the same thing over
Well,
here.
that's good. Let's not break it.
Let's try not. Okay. So we got those off. Okay. Now there's 2 more screws here to take off. Okay. We'll see if the rule that the last screw is the one that's completely frozen.
Dripped in horrible. Oh, look at that. No, that's easy.
What's happening here?
I don't know.
This
Probably
is too
I
easy.
popped it off of the...
This is like working.
What?
What?
Well, we'll see.
Oh, well.
I don't have wood near us at the moment to knock. What the fuck is happening?
Oh, there's one more screw.
Okay, that's gonna be the problem.
Ah!
You got it?
It got it. Put these screws in our pocket
Oh, why?
so we don't lose them. All right, and then that just sort of pops off.
Okay.
So that's that. Okay. So here is the thing you can see if we click the motor. See how it? Can you see it? Trying to engage. Boop boop boop.
Oh yeah. Wait. Zoom in. Do that again, because it's like the little thing's going zoop zoop.
Yeah,
It's not
so
engaging.
It's trying to. And this is the part there's, like if you look under here, there's one of those giant, oh look at that.
Oh, that's nasty.
Yeah. There's one of those giant screws.
Wheelies?
It's a giant screw. And it has come off of the track.
Okay.
And what we need to do is
Oh,
we need
get
to
that back up onto that
push
track.
it back onto the
But
track.
how?
Well, they said, the interwebs said that this little thing could be manually rotated to push the seat back, and then it would become really, really hard until it popped and got itself seated on the threads, and then it would be easy to move.
Okay.
So we're gonna do we're gonna do is we're gonna get other tools, and we're gonna
Manually do that.
try to do this.
So you're gonna magically disappear and then come back with other tools?
By the magic of editing, poof, I'm back. I have some tools. So they said that this was a square socket, and so what we're gonna do is I got 4 different squares, and we'll see if one of these fits. Let's try the biggest one first. Too big. Next one. Cross your fingers, Mel. But don't take them off the record button.
Not doing it.
Oh, that works.
Got it?
That works. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So it is. I can kind of turn it that way, but I can turn it this way a little bit, but then it stops. So what we're going to do is we're going to get the ratchet out and hope that we can make this fit. Let's see. Size for this. All right, we found the right size. So let's see if we can make this work.
You know what's really good?
What, Mel?
Is that you have all the tools that you need.
Yeah. It's exciting.
Yeah, it is exciting.
Okay, so there's a lot of, does not want to turn. Oh, there's that pop.
Did that do it?
I don't know, let's see.
Not yet.
maybe it's easy now.
Oh, is it?
Let's see if that was all there was to it.
Oh my God, you totally made that work. Oh my God, I cannot believe that actually worked. Holy cow. Oh, you made it work. Oh my God.
That's it. That's all there is to it.
You're
Now look,
freaking amazing.
a normal sized person
You are
can
not
get
so
into the
normal
car
size.
again.
Oh my God, you're not so normal size.
So let's talk about
Yeah.
how many hundreds of dollars we probably saved ourselves by
Seriously.
not going to a mechanic.
Right.
So this and the internet, that was a pretty easy fix. I
Yeah.
mean, literally within 10 minutes or whatever, we fixed
Two major
reasonably
problems.
major problems for your car.
Yeah.
Are we not brilliant?
We are so brilliant, and also we had fun together doing it.
We did. So we'll put the car back together at another time. You don't need to see that because that's boring.
Yeah, but thanks for
Thanks for
hanging
watching
out with
our-
us and watching
watching
this.
our videos.
Bye.
Bye.